Let's be brutally honest for a second. You're in your 40s. You've worked hard your entire life. You did everything society told you to do, got the job, put in the hours, climbed the ladder. So why does it still feel like you're one unexpected bill away from a financial crisis? If you're feeling exhausted, underestimated, or just plain trapped, you are not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 real reasons you're still broke at 45. And I guarantee you, nobody is talking about reason number 2. Reason number 1, the loyalty trap. You've probably stayed at a job for years hoping your loyalty would be rewarded with a massive raise or a promotion that actually changes your life. But here's the reality. Corporate loyalty is a one-way street. While you're waiting for that 3% annual raise, inflation is eating your paycheck alive. The system is literally designed to keep you comfortable enough not to quit, but broke enough that you can't afford to leave. And that leads us straight into reason number 2. The one everyone ignores. We call it the linear income illusion. You've been taught your whole life that the only way to make more money is to work more hours. But there are only 24 hours in a day. If your income is directly tied to your time, there is a hard ceiling on what you can ever earn. You will always be exhausted because you are literally trading your life force for dollars. And that ceiling, it never moves. Think about it. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems that work for them 24/7. When you rely solely on a linear paycheck, you're not building wealth, you're just surviving. And when you hit your 40s, that realization hits hard. You start doing the math on retirement and panic sets in. You realize you can't just work harder. You have to work entirely differently. The rules of the game have changed and nobody told you. Which brings me to reason number 3, the too late myth. We hear this every single day. People in their 40s think, I missed the boat. It's too late for me to start something new or build a business online. So they settle, they accept the exhaustion. But let me tell you something, your 40s are actually your biggest advantage. You have decades of life experience, resilience, and problem-solving skills that 20-somethings simply do not have. You don't need to be a tech genius or a young influencer dancing on TikTok to build a massive income stream today. The internet has completely leveled the playing field. The problem isn't your age. The problem is that you're using an outdated playbook. You're trying to win a 2026 game with 1990s rules. And that mismatch is exactly why you feel stuck. You need a new system, one that leverages technology instead of your personal time. So how do we actually fix this? How do you break out of the loyalty trap, shatter the linear income illusion, and use your experience as an advantage? First, you have to stop relying on a single source of income. You need to create a decoupled income stream, money that comes in regardless of whether you clocked in today. And no, I'm not talking about driving for Uber or getting a second job. That's just more linear income. That's not freedom. I'm talking about automated systems that work in the background while you sleep, while you're with your family, or even while you're still at your day job. Imagine having a digital asset that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It doesn't ask for time off. It doesn't call in sick. And it absolutely does not care how old you are. That is the only way to truly reclaim your time and fix your finances in your 40s. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, Ellie, but I have no idea how to build an automated system. I'm not technical. That's exactly where we were just a few years ago. Exhausted, overworked, and terrified we'd never catch up. But we found a way. We discovered a framework that regular people with no tech skills and no audience, are using to create real, consistent income streams online. And it changed everything for us. So here's the good news. There's a proven system that breaks you free from the linear income illusion. It's called the daily income method, and I want to show you exactly how it works. Just click the link below. You'll take a quick 60-second quiz to discover which online income path is best for you, and then you'll see the complete daily income method breakdown. You'll discover the framework of posting just 1 to 3 video reels a day, earning $200 per sale with no face required, and building a system that runs on autopilot 24/7. No inventory, no customer service, no tech skills needed. Plus, there's a free training video waiting for you too. This is the decoupled income we've been talking about. This is the system they never taught you. So click the link, take the quiz, and let's show you exactly how to build your financial freedom starting today.